Hi, my name is Andrius. I'm the head of or founder of LABA7, and I'm also the head of engineering. What makes LABA7 EMA special? One of the main things which makes our device special is that unlike the other competitors, probably I can say, who assembles machine from them off-shelf components, we have developed everything in-house: the data logger, the control unit, the power supply unit, even all the mechanics and electronics, they are designed in-house. So it means we are controlling everything. We are able, to make required features changes in the whole system agile. Which is not possible when you are using third-party components. From the ground up, the machine was designed with precision and innovation in mind. So thank you very much today for the attention. If you are looking for more data about our machines, about all our equipment, you can find it on webpage laba7.com, or just look for us on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, and yeah.